ये क्वेश्चन मेरे एक फ्रेंड से अमेरिकन एक्सप्रेस के इंटरव्यू में पूछा गया था. ओके, द क्वेश्चन वाज, लेट्स से आई हैव टू डिफरेंट पेमेंट सर्विस क्लास. ओके, लेट्स से वन पेमेंट सर्विस इज connecting to the real payment service and there is another service class called dummy payment service which is actually connecting to dummy payment service. Okay, and my requirement is that I want to connect to the dummy payment service in the lower environment, let's say in dev or QA, but when it comes to production I want to connect to the real payment services. Okay, so in your project how do you handle or how do you tackle this scenario? Right? So what we can do, we can make use of conditional on property annotation. Okay, let's see how we can use it. सीधा चलते हैं अपने real payment service class पे. Okay, here if you see, along with service I have also used another annotation called conditional on property, right? And here I have passed a property name and its value. Okay, what happens, whatever the property value you will define in your application.yaml file, right, for this particular property. So let's say if I define y as a value for this property in my property or YAML file, in that case only this bean will get created. Okay, so with the help of conditional on property annotation, Spring Boot creates a bean or load a class in the application context based on a specific condition. So if this condition met, like the value of this property is y, then only this bean will be created. Okay, and if the value of this property is n, in that case this bean will not get created. So let's quickly go through our dummy payment service. See, in dummy payment service I have marked the value as n, right, where it was y in the real payment service. So lower environments में like dev और QA, इन सब environments में आप इन properties की value n set कर सकते हो ताकि आप dummy service से connect करो, right? And in production environment where you actually want to interact with the real payment service, there you can keep this value as y so that the condition is met and the actual real payment service being gets created, right? For reference, let me show you the application.properties file as well. Okay, like what value I have configured there. So here I have defined this property value as y. Okay, so in this case my real payment service bean will get created, and when I am auto-wiring the payment service in the controller class and calling the payment service, I will be getting the response from the real payment service class, not from the dummy payment service. Okay, so let's quickly verify it via Postman. So if I hit this endpoint now, you will see in response we are saying calling actual payment service because the bean of dummy payment service is not getting created. So this is how you can answer this type of questions in your interviews. Okay, ऐसे इन्फॉर्मेशन को जानने के लिए मेक श्योर यू फॉलो कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ CS.